Hasha leaked renders of Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, a glimpse into the future of smartphones. The tech world is abuzz with excitement following a series of fresh leaks surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 lineup. Just a day after leaked hands-on images surfaced, new renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra have made their way online, giving us a tantalizing look at what could be the next big thing in flagship smartphones. These renders come courtesy of Evan Blass, better known as @EveLeaks, a legendary figure in the world of tech leaks. Notably, Blass recently shared additional posts on X, formerly Twitter, only for the accompanying images to be removed following a copyright report. While he hasn't explicitly confirmed their origin, the implication is clear. These images were likely accurate depictions of Samsung's upcoming devices. After all, it's unlikely Samsung would go to such lengths for images that didn't align with their upcoming releases. Design evolution, rounded corners and subtle separation. One of the most intriguing aspects of the leaks is the design evolution of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Compared to its predecessor, this device is set to feature more rounded corners, promising a more comfortable grip and a design that's friendlier to your palms. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and presumably the base Galaxy S25, showcases even more pronounced curves, reinforcing Samsung's strategy of differentiating models within the Galaxy S lineup through subtle yet impactful design cues. This attention to detail reflects Samsung's commitment to refining the user experience while maintaining a distinct identity for each model. Launch event and a new addition to the lineup. According to a leaked teaser, the Galaxy S25 family is expected to be unveiled at a grand event in San Jose, California on January 22, 2024. The teaser also hints at a major surprise for fans, the addition of a fourth model to the lineup. Traditionally, Samsung's Galaxy S series has included 3 variants, but this time, the rumored Galaxy S25 Slim may join the fold. This expansion could mark a new chapter for Samsung, offering consumers more choices to suit their preferences and needs. Galaxy S25 Ultra, the bezel king in the making. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine the boundaries of smartphone design, and recent leaks only add fuel to the excitement. According to the renowned insider Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone, potentially outclassing competitors like the Xiaomi 15 and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. While exact measurements remain under wraps, Ice Universe's claims have sparked a wave of anticipation. If true, these ultra-slim bezels could elevate the Galaxy S25 Ultra to new heights of visual appeal, making it one of the most striking smartphones on the market. Ultra-slim bezels. A design marvel. Leaked renders consistently showcase the Galaxy S25 Ultra with incredibly slim bezels, surpassing not only the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but also other flagship devices in the market. This design innovation underscores Samsung's dedication to pushing the envelope in smartphone aesthetics and functionality. Color variants. Sophistication meets style. Adding to the excitement are details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's stunning color options, shared by Ice Universe. Samsung is reportedly offering the device in 4 elegant variants. Black, a classic black back cover paired with a sleek silver frame. Blue, a light blue back cover complemented by a silver frame with a subtle blue tint. White, a pristine white back cover matched with a delicate, very light silver frame. Gray, a sophisticated gray back cover with a hint of gold paired with a matching frame. These premium color choices aim to cater to a wide range of tastes, ensuring that every user can find a model that resonates with their personal style. Why this matters for Samsung fans. With its groundbreaking design, ultra-thin bezels, and refined aesthetics, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a true flagship marvel. Coupled with the rumored addition of the Galaxy S25 Slim and the distinctive designs of the S25 Plus and S25, the entire Galaxy S25 lineup promises to set new standards in smartphone innovation. As the official unveiling draws closer, excitement is at an all-time high. If these leaks prove accurate, Samsung could very well redefine what it means to be a premium smartphone in 2024. The countdown to January 22nd has begun, and fans can't wait to see these cutting-edge devices in action. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the launch event. The Galaxy S25 series is not just a smartphone, it's a statement.